Hey, good morning everyone. Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning and Restoration Services. A little early today, as you can see, still dark. I got this light on going on here, that way you can see me today. We got a few things, and one of them is a stripping and waxing. I got up early because I'm heading out to Home Depot to get some blades, some wax. We're not going with the top of the line wax on this job because they don't need that done, that kind of service. They want us to strip the floors, clean it, make it presentable. There is another tenant moving into this building, and they just want to turn in the building in good conditions. And that's an option that we have. We can change how shiny your floors look based on the product, on how much we strip down the floors. And I hope you stay tuned for how that floor turns out, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget that if you have any comments, leave your comments on the video, and stay tuned. Thank you. Hey everyone, we're here at the building that we have to do the stripping and waxing, and I want to give you a tour around, the way you see how it looks. I can tell you that it's extremely bad. We got the alarm going on there. We're about to get a call to fix that. These floors are really bad and worn out. Let me go ahead and show you how things look. All right, here we have the restroom, the bathroom here. As you see, this is very dirty. That looks very dark there. We have to come in here too, fix that the best we can. Then we got an office here that we're gonna be fixing up. This place will be painted after we get done, but they want the floors done right now. We got this other one here. This looks better. I think this one will turn out much better. That's the hallway there. More hallway here. That's very worn out. We got some rust stain that probably won't come out. This should get better, but that should stay there. I mean, it will look different. This is where a lot of the worn is showing here. That's about here. But we're gonna do stripping and waxing here. We're gonna strip down as much as we can, and then come back and lay down some 3 coats of wax. Stay tuned for the video. As you can see, here's how it looks after the stripping has been done. You can still see some marks that rust didn't come off. This is still a little wet, but I think, in my opinion, that it looks much better. Over here. It's not perfect, but I think it looks much better. Hey everyone, Dayton here again with you. That's the shop, the office that we just cleaned. This is like a mechanic shop. You can see back there are a lot of trucks. That's what we had to deal with, a lot of grease. We already put one coat of wax. We still got 2 more to go. The job didn't turn out perfect, but we got a lot of the dirt, a lot of the grease out, and I think, in my opinion, looks much better. I'm sure that it looks better than what I told the client of what to expect, and hopefully they are happy with the service, and I hope you enjoy the video. I actually enjoyed it a lot. Things turned out much better than what I expected, and if you have any questions, please leave your comment on this video, or just leave a like if you do like the video. If no, leave it too. Stay tuned for the other videos. And if you're here in Louisville, Kentucky, or Indiana, where we are now, and you need help with carpet cleaning, tile, water damage, anything, please give us a call. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.